Hi Teamy community, we're showing you how to make this brownie recipe and it's completely grain-free and easy to make at home. Our girl Emily is gonna show you how. Oh, it tastes exactly like a real brownie, which is amazing.
Oh yeah.
What is different about these brownies than other regular brownies?
Well, a common theme with all of my recipes is that it is grain-free and it's gluten-free. And this one specifically, this is probably one of my favorite recipes to date. And that's because it is full of antioxidants, and that is because of the cacao powder that we use.
One thing I want to make sure that you guys know is that these are great for kids. Like if you're a mom and you're looking for kind of how to sneak in healthier sweets for your kids, but it doesn't look any different than kind of the recipes that you see that you can get from the store. So they don't feel different. It looks exactly like a brownie and it tastes exactly like a brownie.
Probably better than a regular conventional brownie.
It does, and again, the same thing is that it's not empty calories, so it's actually gonna keep you full longer, and you're not gonna have as drastic spikes and crashes in your energy levels because it has no refined sugars.
Nope, just maple syrup.